Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. Here we are again to our Vietnam Moto Vlogging Episode 3. Representing from the Philippines, ang vlogger na wala pang nararating sa buhay at sa pag-vlog. Paparampampam! I have an interesting story for you. Nung nagtuturo pa ako sa center, sa unang center ko is I have an assistant English teacher na Vietnamese. Ang nangyari is towards the end of the class, he pulled something like a packet size na book, and I found out na Bible pala. Sabi ko sa kanya, kasi mostly ang Vietnamese Buddhist talaga yan mostly. So I asked him, why do you have the Bible? Sabi niya, it was when na-scandal siya through TikTok videos. And there was one video that caught his attention, and he didn't know what was all about, but it was inspiring, and later he knew it was all about Jesus. Since then, nag-search na siya about Jesus, about Bible. Bumili talaga siya ng Biblia. Tapos ayun, nag-memorize siya ng mga English verses. I was so surprised. Parang mas marami pa yung na-memorize niya na verses compare sa akin. It was so surprising, you know what, because he was completely Buddhist and turned to a Christian, pero walang denomination. He was convinced na totoo talaga ang Christianismo, and he started to evangelize his friends, telling his friends about it. Sad to say, he was disowned by his friends. Like, ayaw nang makipag-usap sa kanya. And then when his parents found out about it, he was scolded by his parents and told him to stop doing that. Until now, he's still convinced na Christianismo ay totoo talaga. Still yet to know which denomination that he will join. So when he told me about it, we had a Bible sharing, and then now I invited him to the home church where they speak Vietnamese, so they can, understand each other and know more about Jesus. Is it not nice when someone found out about Jesus, about the truth through scanning TikTok videos? Most of the time we heard like bad things about social media, especially TikTok videos. Diba, hindi siya magandang influensya sa mga kabataan, parang ganun. The silver lining, there's still positive thing that we can get out of these videos, and he's the living testament for that. I invited him to the home church that I am going to today. Okay, he's here. Dito siya. Let's go. Andito na pala siya. Happy Sabbath! Saturday! How are you? Okay, let's go. That's fine, that's okay, no problem. We have only like 2 or 3 members there. For how long you have been waiting there?
What?
How long you have been waiting?
5 minutes.
5 minutes? Great. I thought I was too late.
Cây cối đạo đức, con ốc, con liêu sò đấy là nó là dọn rác môi trường,
gian dối đạo đức, mọi sự suy đồi làm ô uế. Chúa dựng con người trong thuở ban đầu. Toàn năng của chúng con, Trời ơi, chúng con thật cảm ơn Ngài vì chúng con được làm dân sự của Ngài và làm con cái yêu dấu của Chúa.
Sir, I give you a book. No.